Enabling multi-factor authentication MFA on the Delta Electronics EV 2026 is essential for enhancing security. Follow these steps to set it up effectively. Step 1. Access the device settings. Begin by powering on the Delta Electronics EV 2026. Use the device's interface to navigate to the settings menu. Look for the option labeled Security or User Settings. Step 2. Locate MFA options. Within the Security settings, search for the Multi-Factor Authentication section. This may be listed under Advanced Security Features or User Authentication Settings. Step 3. Choose Authentication Method. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Input contact information. If you selected SMS or email verification, enter the necessary contact details. Ensure that the phone number or email address is accurate to receive verification codes. Step 5. Save changes and test. After configuring the MFA settings, save your changes. Then, perform a test by logging out and logging back in to ensure that the MFA process works correctly. By following these steps, you can successfully enable multi-factor authentication on your Delta Electronics EV 2026, enhancing the security of your device.